Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. In this video we'll explain how to close an LLC in Texas. Have you decided it's time to close your Texas LLC? If so, don't just stop doing business and assume everything is finished. Your LLC must be legally dissolved with the state of Texas, or you could still face tax filings, notices, or other legal obligations. By following these 6 steps, you'll be able to successfully and legally close your Texas LLC. Step 1. Approve the dissolution. Start by getting approval from the LLC members. Follow the voting process in your operating agreement. If you don't have one, follow the Texas Business Organizations Code. Be sure to document the decision in writing. Step 2. Wind up the business. Before closing the LLC, wrap up your business affairs. Stop taking on new business, pay outstanding debts, collect any money owed to the company, close bank accounts, cancel licenses and permits, and distribute any remaining assets to the members. Step 3. Complete your Texas tax requirements. File your final Texas franchise tax reports with the Texas Comptroller and pay any taxes, penalties, or interest that may still be due. Step 4. Get a Certificate of Account Status. Once your tax obligations are complete, request a Certificate of Account Status from the Texas Comptroller. This document confirms your LLC is eligible for termination. Step 5. File the Certificate of Termination. Next, submit Form 651 to the Texas Secretary of State along with your Certificate of Account Status and the required filing fee. You can file online, by mail, or by fax. After the filing is approved, your LLC is officially terminated under Texas law. Step 6. Finish your federal requirements. Finally, file your last federal tax return with the IRS. Mark it as your final return. And if you no longer need your EIN, send a written request to the IRS to close your EIN account. One important note: if your LLC was formed in another state and only registered to do business in Texas, you'll generally file Form 608, the Certificate of Withdrawal, instead of Form 651. Closing your LLC the right way helps you avoid future tax issues, penalties, and unnecessary legal complications. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Texas LLC guides. Thanks for watching.